Of microwave heating. Microwaves are electromagnetic waves and they are commonly used for communication purpose. Communication purpose. In addition to communication, they are used in microwave heating. And what is the mechanism behind the heating? There are two frequencies which we use in microwave heating. Number one is 915 megahertz. Number two is 2450 megahertz. These two frequencies are used for heating purpose and they have been set by the Federal Communication Commission (FCC). They have only permitted only these two frequencies because to avoid the noise in communication. So the mechanism behind the microwave heating is once the wave is passed through any food and that food contains different polar compounds. For example, water has a negative charge and a positive charge, and wave has itself negative and positive charge. If we are using 2450 megahertz, this means in 1 second this wave will change 2450 million times its polarity. It will change the polarity in 2450 million times. So the change in polarity, the change of positive, the change of negative in a second, in millions, will change the direction of this polar compound accordingly. So the tremendous change in polarity of the polar compound along the change of the polarity of the wave produces friction, and this friction produces heat, and this heat will heat up the food. So this is the mechanism of microwave heating. Hope you understood this. Thank you very much.